Are you looking to learn how to reverse your age and understand the strategies to help you live longer? The scientific breakthroughs that will help you understand how to reverse biological clocks and ages within your body? I'm going to talk to you about the solutions that I've used to have one of the lowest Dunedin Pace scores in the world, which means I'm one of the top longevity, I guess you could say, Olympic athletes in the world. And there are certain strategies and solutions that I've been able to implement to help me get to this level. Obviously, there are some basic things that we can do, but there's some also advanced things that we're going to talk about. So this is just a basic overview of a blueprint that I think will really help you understand what we can do to live 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, even 50 years longer. I don't know where the ceiling is, but my goal is to break that ceiling and to keep breaking that ceiling and to get to a place where we can live a long, healthy, vibrant life. But not just a life where we're living longer, a life where we're being vital, where we have energy, where we have vitality. That's what they call health span in the longevity space. It's not just about longevity, it's about the vitality, the life in your years, not just the years in your life, right? So my goal is in helping you understand this blueprint to help you live longer, but also healthier. So the first thing that we want to understand is, what are the hallmarks of aging? What are the things that we can actually impact to help us live longer and healthier? There's a lot of different hallmarks. I won't go into all of them, but there's altered microbiome, which is the gut microbiome of your body, right? Your virome plays a role in your microbiome, which is the viruses inside of your body. You'd be surprised that there's so many viruses in your body. There's literally hundreds of trillions of microbiome and bacteria within your body, but a lot of us have unhealthy bacteria. Then you've got altered telomere attrition, which is essentially the cap on your DNA. It gets shorter and shorter and shorter. Then you've got altered proteostasis and proteins that are essentially folding improperly. And when that happens, you accelerate aging within the body and you create what they call senescent cells. Senescent cells are cells that are old, like cranky cells that tell other cells to get old and cranky. And there's a positive feedback loop when one cell goes and tells another cell to start becoming senescent. And so we can take things like senolytics now that are supplements that can literally lyse or cut and destroy these senescent cells. There are lifestyle strategies that we can implement that will help us get rid of these senescent cells. Then you've got chronic intracellular inflammation. That's like the rust on a car. It's inside of your joints. It's inside of the cells, the organs of your body. And as soon as you get inflammation, it drives so many of the other aging processes within the body. The other element in the hallmark of aging is the mitochondria. This is the energy power plant of your body. So if you can't produce energy, then there's going to be a problem there. The amount of mitochondria in your body is literally the weight of your head. It's the size of your head. That's how many mitochondria you have. So when you have a dysfunction in mitochondria, which is again the energy power plant of the body, you're not producing ATP and you are not developing and creating the energy that you need for all the enzymatic pathways of the body, hormone regulating pathways of the body, neurotransmitter producing pathways of the body, the list goes on. Your body needs all of these different elements in order to thrive, in order to completely not just maximize your health, but start turning and reversing these biological clocks within your body. Like I shared before, I've been integrating a lot of strategies to address the hallmarks of aging. I have literally developed one of the best, I think it's the second in the world highest Dunedin Pace score, which is a score that can essentially uncover how many years you're aging per year that passes. So I'm essentially a little over a half a year per year that passes, which is pretty darn good. And a lot of people, they're aging faster, right? So every year that passes, they may be aging a year and a half or 2 years or something like that. That is not good. That's not what you want to see. So what are the different things in the blueprint that you can essentially uncover for upgraded longevity and vitality? So the first thing is you want to understand the hallmarks and then how you can impact the hallmarks. You want to be able to, and by the way, there's more hallmarks than what I just shared. There's damage to your DNA. There's all these different types of hallmarks. But the exciting thing is with nutrition, with supplementation, with certain microdosing of pharmaceuticals, with different lifestyle strategies, you can have a major impact on the expression of your epigenome and the expression of your genes and how you can live longer, healthier. And you have a massive impact on what they call these methylation clocks, which are biological clocks within your body, so that you can see whether you are reversing your aging or not. So one of the questions that comes up is, can we reverse our age? Is it possible? Or should we just look to being our best every single day? Well, I think we should do both. I think we should upgrade our life to be functioning at the highest level of potential every single day that we can, but we should also look at what we can do to reverse these biological clocks. So if you think about it, every single organ is a biological clock. I remember when I was in my 30s, I'm in my 40s now, but when I was in my 30s, I took a telomere test and it showed that I was 18 years old when I was at like 36 or something like that. And I was like, my biological years, 18 years old. And the reality is my biological age was 18, right? But my chronological age was 36. And that is only one clock, right? That's only one hallmark of aging. You have to look at all of these different biological clocks. You have to look at all of these different elements that cause aging within your body to really understand how you can actually live longer and healthier. I'll give you an example. If my telomere length is short, and let's say my biological age from a telomere perspective is at 18, and my thyroid or my brain health, my brain age is, let's say, 55, guess what? The weak link is my brain, right? The weak link might be the osteoporosis that you have a susceptibility to, or your heart health, right? The goal is we want to maximize the health of your heart. We want to maximize the health of your lungs. We want to maximize the health and the biological age of your brain. We want to maximize the biological age of your bones, which is essential for overcoming stem cell attrition and upregulating the ability to heal and stay vital. We want to keep a healthy musculoskeletal system, which a lot of people unfortunately are not taking care of. And as we age, we lose muscle. As we age, our lung capacity decreases, which when you look at the Framingham study, which is one of the top longevity studies out there, those are some of the main things that drive aging within the body. Okay, so the blueprint really is understanding what are the factors that drive aging. Then what are the things that we can do from a lifestyle perspective and from a nutritional perspective and supplement perspective? And if you're into microdosing some pharmaceutical perspective, what can we do there to massively impact the biological clocks of the body? And not just one, but all of the biological clocks. And so this is the ultimate blueprint. And if you want to put that on steroids, I would highly recommend longevity hacking, where you are wearing things like the Oura Ring. This is the elevation of biohacking. I think I've got my biohacker's handbook here right in front of me. But the elevation and the movement that we want to move towards is longevity hacking. If you're into taking this blueprint and turning it to another level, you want to start quantifying yourself. You want to look at the various biofeedback mechanisms that you can get access to, whether it's sleep, whether it's the Oura Ring or the Whoop Band or the Apple Watch. You want to start getting information to start monitoring how you're doing. How are you sleeping? What are your stress levels, et cetera, et cetera. There's so much in this blueprint that I'm excited to uncover to you more and more as we spend more time together. But I wanted to just introduce to you this opportunity for you to truly understand that there is a blueprint, that we can impact various biological clocks within the body. We can help people live longer, healthier lives with the integration of these incredible interventions. And it's only getting better. And so I want to be your go-to source that will give you more information on this longevity blueprint. I look forward to adding more value to you in the future. And thanks so much for watching this video. Go ahead, subscribe, share this video below. I really appreciate it as I get this channel going, and really appreciate your time today. Look forward to adding more value. Thanks so much.